Hey entrepreneurs, welcome back to the Financial Context channel. Today, we're delving into the dynamic world of Fiverr Pro to unleash its potential for your business. If you're ready for a game changer, don't miss out. Click the link in the description below to dive into Fiverr Pro's transformative features and elevate your projects. Chapter 1. What is Fiverr Pro? Fiverr Pro goes beyond a platform. Think of it as a space where brilliance meets innovation. Imagine an exclusive gallery featuring top-tier experts, not just showcasing skills but mastering the art of transforming projects. With meticulously curated excellence and a global pool of expertise, Fiverr Pro sets a new standard in freelancing. If this sparks your curiosity and you're ready to elevate your projects, seize the opportunity. Click the link below, and let's embark on a journey into the unparalleled world of Fiverr Pro together. Chapter 2. Difference between Fiverr and Fiverr Pro. Ever felt lost in the vast world of freelancing, like navigating through a bustling flea market or a high-end boutique? Well, that's the difference between Fiverr and Fiverr Pro. Fiverr, much like a lively market, offers a diverse array of freelancers, catering to every budget and need. Now, shift gears and envision Fiverr Pro as the VIP section, a realm of exclusivity and top-notch expertise. But what truly sets Fiverr Pro apart isn't just the abundance of options, it's the meticulous process of finding your perfect match. Fiverr Pro is where the A-team resides, with experts chosen through a rigorous selection process. Imagine assembling a roster of seasoned pros, each a star in their field, ready to illuminate your project. For those seeking a more exclusive and tailored freelancing experience, Fiverr Pro is the destination. Click the link below to delve deeper into the world of Fiverr Pro, where a stringent selection process ensures that only the best, the true experts, bring your unique projects to life in an entirely new way. Chapter 3. Benefits of Fiverr Pro. Let's delve into the incredible benefits that Fiverr Pro offers, shaping it beyond a platform into a catalyst for your business success. From unparalleled professionalism and unmatched efficiency to seamless access to a league of elite freelancers, Fiverr Pro is meticulously crafted to elevate your projects. But that's not all. When you choose Fiverr Pro, you're not just hiring a freelancer, you're forging a partnership with a seasoned professional who understands the nuances of your industry. Imagine having a dedicated expert who not only completes the task at hand but invests in your success. Efficiency isn't just a promise, it's a commitment. Timely delivery ensures your projects not only meet but surpass expectations. Plus, with a dedication to quality assurance, the end result isn't just a project, it's a masterpiece. Access to top talent from around the globe is another stellar benefit. Whether you seek a fresh approach to design, innovative marketing strategies, or cutting-edge development, Fiverr Pro opens the door to a global network of possibilities. So, if you're eager to experience these benefits firsthand, don't miss the opportunity. Click the link below to be guided through the transformative journey of Fiverr Pro, where success isn't just a destination, it's a journey you embark upon. Chapter 4. Applications of Fiverr Pro. Fiverr Pro isn't just a platform, it's a versatile solution for a spectrum of business needs. Whether you require captivating graphic design, strategic digital marketing, compelling content creation, or cutting-edge web and mobile development, Fiverr Pro is your go-to destination. Ready to explore these diverse applications? Find more details in the description below. Chapter 5. How to use Fiverr Pro, Step-by-Step Guide. Embarking on your Fiverr Pro adventure? Let's master it together in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Land on Fiverr Pro, your digital haven of top-tier freelancers. Step 2. Explore categories that align with your business needs. Step 3. Browse profiles, each showcasing skills, experience, and past projects. Step 4. Review portfolios to get a visual taste of expertise. Step 5. Read reviews, the heart of Fiverr Pro's community. Step 6. Initiate communication directly through Fiverr Pro's messaging system. Step 7. Place an order and make it official. Throughout the collaboration, stay in touch for seamless communication. Step 9. Mark project completion once the work meets your expectations. Step 10. Provide feedback and rate the freelancer. Ready to make your collaboration journey seamless and successful? Explore Fiverr Pro in the link in the description below. Chapter 6. Costs and budgeting. As we delve into the financial aspect of Fiverr Pro, remember, it's about making strategic investments that propel your business forward. With transparent pricing, flexibility in budgeting, and a focus on value, Fiverr Pro stands out. Interested in budgeting wisely with Fiverr Pro? Explore more details through the link in the description below. Entrepreneurs, if you're eager to witness the growth of your business with Fiverr Pro, The link is waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for a continuous stream of valuable insights. Together, let's take your business to unprecedented heights.